To see how I laid this Megalook wig, keep watching. Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel. And as you've seen in the title, today I'm going to be giving you a easy beginner's guide on how to lay a lace front wig. So I just have a regular wig cap here, as you can see, and I'm going to be using my Got To Be free spray. I'm only going to be using this free spray. I'm not using the actual gel. So I'm going to be spraying the perimeter of my hairline. I'm not going to actually spray my hair. I don't want it to be sticky right there, so I'm literally just spraying my skin. Disclaimer, you guys, I am not a professional. I did not go to cosmetology school. This is just my own method as a beginner. So now you just want to take the time to dry it. I actually dry it with cool air, so you don't want to do it with heat. So I think the heat will melt it, but you just want to go ahead and let it be cool. So now that everything is dry, I'm going to go ahead and take my shears and I'm going to cut the lace. At first, I'm just going to cut like a guesstimation of where it needs to fall. And then after that, I'm going to size it with my actual wig. I'm also going to go ahead and cut it off around my ear. You guys be careful when cutting around your ear, because the first time I did this, I definitely snipped some of my hair off the edge. But it's okay. It was just some little scraggly pieces. I don't think I'll miss them. But yeah, just be careful when cutting around your ears. Okay, so now that I have the wig and I'm looking at where it's sitting, I see that I need to cut off some extra cap. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and come back. Now that I'm done modifying the cut of my cap, I'm going to go ahead and grab some foundation and put it over the cap where my scalp is going to show. Since this is a lace front, I don't have to do the whole head. I just need to do the front area of this wig. And this step is optional. If you feel like it blends with your skin well enough, you can do that. The first time I glued it down, I did not do this step. I did this step solely for the camera. And after I finish putting on the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and do a light coating of the Got To Be spray on the perimeter of the actual wig cap so that I can glue the actual wig down to those pieces. So instead of making sure it gets dry, I'm going to dry it with my blow dryer just until it gets tacky. So after you have glued it down to your cap, if you see any pieces that did not stick, go ahead and put a little bit of spray on that and then dry that as well. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, and the last step is to get you some baby hairs. And this step is optional because some people don't like baby hairs, some people do. I used to be I'm not a baby hairs type of girl. But you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten better at the swooping of the baby hairs. So I'm going to go ahead and put my scarf on just to go ahead and secure the baby hairs that I created. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and style the wig. While I'm making my baby hairs, let me just tell you guys a big no-no for this whole process that I actually ended up doing. So when you actually put the Got To Be on there to glue the wig to the cap, make sure you don't go overboard. That's why I said lightly coat it. I went overboard, y'all, and it made the cap like pretty much come back up, and then I had to like try to force it back in place. So if my lace looks a little weird like towards the end, that's why I messed it up. Y'all know I keeps it real with y'all, and like I said, this is a beginner process. This is the second time I've glued down a wig on myself. So hey, we all mess up, but I just know for next time I won't go overboard with the spray. So after you have styled your hair to your desired style, honey, you are done. You are finished. Once again, this is Megalook Hair, and the link to this hair will be in the description box below. Go check them out. This is actually a really good purchase, and I'll see you guys in my next video.